Ooh. What you got?
San Pellegrino.
Fine sparkling water straight from the source in Termy.
Topo Chico
It's all over San Pellegrino.
No.
Would you?
Give me an intro.
Kassel Performance. Shop vlog.
Is this X6M? Or just X6? Just with 28 M badges on it.
N55?
Yeah, because the X6M's had the
V8, right?
Yeah, the V8.
Should make a X something like with S55. That'd be sick.
That'd be cool.
I'd rather have S55 over S63.
Oh yeah, inline 6 all day.
I just really like S55.
Yeah.
And I don't mind working on it. It's like very simple to me. Sure, people will really like working on the V8 too, though. You know.
Yeah, it's what you're into.
Everyone likes something.
So this engine's out.
Engine out.
Getting a new one, right?
Built. It's gonna get built.
Oh really?
Yeah, by Matt. It's a blown head gasket. They say. I have it out.
Sick.
Make it a roller. Roll her out of here. Build the motor. Bring it back in.
Love me a white E92 M3. You know what's crazy? What? I didn't have the f***ing mic on last time I was over here.
Good. Big f***ing water skier.
Black interior, manual, white E92M. Exactly how I'd write it up. What are you doing?
Checking to see if alternator's putting that proper voltage to the battery.
What are y'all doing to this thing?
Exhaust. It had cats. I don't know, are they cats? Yeah, cats and resonators. And now we had he provided this pipe and this one, and we're using the muffler. I did intakes on it. Had obviously stock intakes, stuff with these mad intakes. It's just like a regular
brand art of mastery and design or something.
Yeah.
Sure he does. It's a race car. Nick, this is the same as yours, right?
No, this one is rear wheel.
Well, same like gen though.
Yes, F22.
Yeah. This thing's got the full cage too. That's sick. Looks like they are doing quite a few cooling upgrades to this E92 M3. When's this thing getting APs? Yeah, because it's on stop text. Look at that, it fits. You got this nice carbon air duct on there now. Yeah, you just looking at stuff, you ain't nutting and bolting?
I'm nutting and bolting. Wrenching, screwing.
Wrenching and torquing?
Oh yeah, wrenching, torquing, untorquing, nutting, bolting,
Nice.
clipping, unclipping. This is an engine harness replacement since the S54. They did a little bit of S54 and E36 engine harness combination to make it work, but was having an issue with one of the connections. They had many connections, so we're now just doing a Z3M harness, S54 Z3M. It fits in the E36 better, and then Jim makes a patch harness that goes correctly from this to the E36 stuff without any weird connections, so that's what I'm doing.
Sick. Yeah, S54 swapped E36M. Sedan. Your favorite? Manuel.
Probably a really fun car to drive.
But you get to work on the ground.
Lucky me.
All that space out there. Here I am.
On the ground. So stop text coming off, AP's going on.
Yeah.
Are you putting new studs in too?
Probably should.
For the season.
Probably should.
This thing's just been sitting since November and is now April.
I gotta take off this lower control arm to do all this roll center correction kit.
Oh, do you have that to do too?
Yeah, I gotta add that to here, so I gotta like take this control arm off and cut this ball joint apart. Yeah, I got some of that MRT stuff like we put on Stover's Z3 and the rear suspension there. That MRT guys, they make a lot of cool stuff. So they make a roll center correction kit that'll fix the roll center from lowering the front end here, so it'll kind of space all this down a little bit. That'll kind of make this a little more parallel when it's actually at ride height. Hoping it helps what I feel in the car, which is the car like feels up on its nose all the time. A lot of roll and loss of grip mid-corner type of.
What size are those?
These are
compared to
355, so 14 inch, and those are 380, 15 inch.
Oh.
Considerable.
Yeah.
It's my new brake setup here.
Double rotor.
That'll
Dual rotor.
That'll slow it down.
Yeah, it should. You'd hope. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.